Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Well, in this very short video, I'm going to extend an invitation. And that invitation is to meet me, right? Kind of a meet and greet. Reason for that is I'm going to be visiting the View conference in Turin, Italy, right? That's from the 14th to the 19th of October. I'm going to be there the 17th, so 17, 18, 19. And if you are attending, then drop me an email and I will send you details. You can contact me if you want to meet up, right? Now, if you don't know what the View conference is, it's been going on for 25 years. It is an absolutely amazing international conference, right? Super big names have attended in the past, and they're great speakers this year as well. And it's all about computer graphics, it's about gaming, it's about visual effects. It is absolutely something you need to check out. I'm going to put the link below if you are not attending but you want to check out the online version. They're going to be streaming parts of it, right? And if you are going to Italy, then follow the link there as well and you will find all the details. And once again, if you want to say hi, then drop me an email and I will send you details how to connect with me, right? So I'm going to be there 17, 18, and 19 October. That's what I want to share with you guys. Once again, link is below if you want to check out their website, and I might see you there, right? Thanks for watching. Bye.